Welcome to the review channel, guys. Today's product sent to us in return for our honest review is this illuminated dry erase sign. If you've never used one of these guys, they're pretty neat. It's transparent, which I still have the protective film on here so I don't scratch it or get it dirty before I actually got it set up. It came with the feet to set it up kind of like a picture frame. It also came with some stick-on hooks if you wanted to hang it from the wall and a chain to hang it from. It came with a remote to operate the lighting system, which is going to light down here and illuminate the writing we put on it. It came with a set of markers and write your different messages or whatever across the board. It also came with a spray bottle that we can fill with window washer liquid or something to clean it off once we've written on it and want to change the message. There's a cloth for cleaning it and a pair of white gloves so that we don't get fingerprints all over it when we're handling it and setting it up. And with all this stuff, if you have a store or a restaurant front and you want to put pricing or signage out, if you're having a party and you want to mark which punch has the alcohol in it or which brownies have the nuts in it, this is going to be the perfect product for that. I am going to now peel this stuff off, write some messages on here, illuminate it, and show you guys how cool it looks. You gotta admit, that's pretty cool how it looks all neon like that. And with the remote, you can change the color of the lights, changing the color of all your writing, all your drawing, or whatever you got on there. The pens, you can see I can get different colored effects from different spots here. You can also turn the brightness up and down. It's pretty neat. Like I said, we had one of these at the deli and it worked great. You could write your specials on there. You could write whatever you needed on there, light it up. People can see it and read it really well. It's much better than a dry erase board or a chalkboard or something like that where it's not illuminated and not stand out. So it's pretty cool. I definitely approve of these if you're going to need to light up anything with signage.